Biggest smartphone launches we are expecting to see in the upcoming months. As we enter into mid of August, the launch of some fascinating smartphone launches tend to pick up. Over the next few months, people are expecting big smartphone launches from Apple, Google, OnePlus and Xiaomi. All eyes will be on Apple in September when the company is expected to release the iPhone 12 series. However, the iPhone 12 may not be the only high-profile smartphone launching in the second half of 2020. Here's a look at the biggest smartphone launches people are expecting to see in the upcoming months. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series. Samsung's latest Galaxy Note 20 comes in two models, 6.7-inch Note 20 starting at Rs 77,999 and the 6.9-inch Galaxy Note 20 Ultra starting close to at 1,05,000. While the standard Note 20 is powered by the Exynos 990 processor, whereas the Note 20 Ultra uses Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. They also come with the new version of S Pen stylus. Plus, they also come equipped with multiple cameras and nearby share. Google's take on Apple's AirDrop. The phones are available for pre-order and will go on sale in India on August 21. At its virtual Unpacked product event on August 6, Samsung gave a preview of Galaxy Z Fold 2, the successor to 2019's Galaxy Fold. Apple iPhone 12 series. Apple is destined to launch multiple models of the iPhone 12 in various screen sizes and price points. Rumor has it that iPhone 12 will have the iPad Pro style square design, smaller notch, 5G OLED display, multiple cameras and OLED displays for all four models and A14 Bionic chipset. Google Pixel 4a. Google will bring the Pixel 4a in October in India. Its latest budget phone boasting a 5.8-inch OLED screen and the highest quality camera found in high-end Pixel phones. Starting at $349, the Pixel 4a is the most affordable smartphone in the Pixel phone lineup. Sure, it might not be the top-notch of the line smartphone, but it could be the perfect pandemic phone. The Pixel 4a is aimed at iPhone SE, which retails at $399. The iPhone SE has proved to be a huge success for Apple according to the company. Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Xiaomi will soon launch the Mi 10 Ultra, a high-end smartphone that will mark the 10th anniversary of Xiaomi. Xiaomi needs a new flagship to take on the Galaxy Note 20 and iPhone 12, and the Mi 10 Ultra could be the device. Details are scant on the specs or price, but they know that the premium phone will apparently feature a 120x digital zoom. The Galaxy S20 Ultra in the contrast offer 100x zoom. The Mi 10 Ultra is expected to make its debut sometime this month. The phone will reportedly launch alongside the K30 Ultra, which will be aimed at the OnePlus Nord and Reno 4 Pro. OnePlus will launch OnePlus 8T in either October or November. Although not confirmed, the OnePlus 8T is likely to feature a 120Hz display, Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, better cameras, and ultra-fast charging tech. These features make the OnePlus 8T a powerful device, though the killer feature of the phone is not known yet. Expect to see the OnePlus 8T flaunting a possibly new design. For latest update for the new launches to the tech world, stay tuned with BizBit.